Step outside. Exit the building.
Come inside. Enter the room.
We stepped outside yesterday evening.
Come inside, please.
Storm out. Leave in anger.
Run off. Escape or flee.
He stormed out of the conference.
They ran off from the threat.
Drive away. Leave using a vehicle.
Get inside. Enter a vehicle or space.
She drove away quickly.
Get inside the van.
Get outside. Leave the area.
Move into. Start living in a new residence.
Get outside now.
We moved into our place yesterday.
Move away. Leave your residence.
Sit down. Take a seat.
He moved away last month.
Sit down here.
Break apart. End a partnership.
Get along. Be on good terms.
They broke apart last season.
We get along nicely.
Make peace. Become friends again.
Fall for. Start loving.
They made peace after the argument.
He fell for her.
Ask out. Invite on a date.
Go steady. Date someone.
He asked her out.
They're going steady.
Split apart. Separate.
Cheer up. Feel happier.
They split apart recently.
Cheer up, buddy.
Hang around. Spend time together.
Flirt with. Show romantic interest.
We hang around often.
He flirted with her at the event.
Call back. Return a call.
Hang up. And a phone call.
I'll call you back.
She hung up abruptly. Get back. Return later.
Follow through. Continue or check again.
I'll get back to you.
He followed through on the message. Shut off. Close or stop completely.
Send the cross. Distribute or deliver.
They shut off the system.
They sent across the notices. Reach out. Contact someone.
Set up. Arrange or organize.
I reached out to him.
I'll set up the meeting. Hold on. Wait for a moment.
Cut off. Disconnect.
Hold on a second.
The line was cut off.
Check in. Register at a location.
Check out. Leave a location.
We checked in late.
It's time to check out.
Take off. Begin flying.
Set out. Start a journey.
The jet took off.
We set out early.